Hello everyone and welcome back to Independence Farm Eldoret. In today's video, I take you through the process of constructing a durable feed trap for our Dorper sheep. A well-designed feed trap helps reduce feed wastage, keeps feed clean and improve feed efficiency on the farm. Join me as I share the step-by-step construction process and the final results. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced sheep farmer, I hope this video gives you ideas that can improve your own farm. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with fellow farmers and leave your questions in the comment section. The first step is taking the correct measurements to ensure the feeder is the right size. After measuring, I carefully cut all the pieces according to the required dimensions. Once everything is cut properly, I join the pieces together using nails, making sure the structure is strong and durable. With a few simple steps, measure, cut, and join, we have a practical feeder that will help reduce feed wastage and keep feeding organized on the farm. And there you have it, a simple practical feed trap ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Independence Farm Eldoret for more farming content. See you in the next video.